Greetings of the day. We, the students of Aryabhatta International School
of grade 9th are here to present the activity on topic Physical Features of India.
At first, we'll discuss about
The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions: mountains,
northern plains
plateaus,
and deserts. Now we'll talk about
the majestic Himalayas.
the Himalayas. Geologically young and structurally formed mountains stretch over the northern borders of India.
They form an arc which covers a distance of about 2,400 kilometers.
Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh.
The Himalayas consists of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent.
Now we'll talk about
The fertile northern plains.
formed by rivers. The northern plains are vast alluvial plains formed by the interplay of Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries.
Agricultural hub, rich in fertile soil and abundant water, these plains are India's most productive agricultural regions, supporting a large population.
Dense population. Due to fertile land and perennial rivers, these plains are one of the most densely populated regions globally.
Now we'll talk about
The Peninsular Plateau.
the Peninsular Plateau is the oldest landmass of India, composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is broadly divided into 2 parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau.
Central Highlands are the west part of the Peninsular Plateau. They are bounded by Aravallis to the northwest and Vindhyas to the south. They include Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand.
Deccan Plateau is the triangular landmass south of the Narmada River, higher in the west and slopes gently eastwards, bounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats.
Now we'll talk about
The Indian Desert and the coastal plains.
the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is an undulating sandy plain in Rajasthan. It receives very low rainfall. The Luni is the only river in this region.
The coastal plains. The Peninsular Plateau is flanked by narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal.
Last but not the least,
The island groups.
Lakshadweep Islands. Located in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep is a group of small coral islands. These islands are known for their rich biodiversity, particularly marine life, and are a popular tourist destination.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is situated in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are larger, more numerous and scattered. They are of strategic importance and possesses dense forest cover with diverse flora and fauna. Thanks everyone for watching this educational video.